Hey guys, I'm Jason and welcome to my channel. For today, we will be reviewing the top 11 keyboard shortcuts that you need to know. Okay, the first shortcut will be Control C. Control C copies everything that you highlight, which can be quite helpful if you have, say, a million-page document. So I just highlight all of it and press Control C. Okay, now we're going to move on to the second one, which is Control V, which is pasting it. So you just click on it and paste it. And it's pretty much done. So that's good, so you don't have to write your whole entire document out again. Okay, number 3 is Control X, which deletes whatever you highlight. So I'm going to highlight this piece of text, and 3, 2, 1, boom. It's like cutting out a piece of paper. So it's helpful if you don't want to just be pressing backspace for the rest of your life. Whoops, I've deleted my whole document, which is not good. So all I have to do is undo it with Control Z. So when you press Control Z, it undoes what you did. So I accidentally pressed Control X and it deleted it. But now, since I pressed Control Z, it undid it. Okay, now I'll be showing you the exact opposite, which is redoing what I undid, which brings us on to number 5, which is Control Y. Control Y is the exact opposite of Control Z. So Control Y redoes it. So I might have wanted to keep it undone. So I press Control Y. And it's like nothing ever happened. So if you want to redo something, just press Control Y and it's done. Okay, number 6 is Control A. If you need to select everything on your page, Control A makes it really easy, and it works on text, pictures, everything. So you don't even need to highlight everything. Just click it, press Control A, and everything is selected. Then you can copy it, you can delete it, you can do pretty much anything with your text. So if you have a long document, just press Control A as soon as you can, and it's just selected. Okay, this one is Control S. And all Control S does is save your work. But say you're handing in homework. You really don't want to have late homework, and then the moment you actually find it, it's not there. You've not saved it. So all you have to do is press Control S and press save. Okay, number 8 is Control N. So what Control N does is it makes a new document. It can make a new design. It can make a new anything. It can just, if you're using an app that can make something, it will make a new one. So I'm just going to go ahead and press it and see it made. Okay, number 9 is Windows arrow key. So what I mean by that is you press Windows and then an arrow key. So whatever you press, it kind of molds your window. So let me show you. I'm going to press Windows left and it molds my window. And I'm going to press Settings. Now it's half settings and half Microsoft Word. Shortcut number 10 is Alt Tab. And Alt Tab makes up a completely different app. So you don't have to go all the way down there and go there, then there, then there, blah blah blah. So let me show you. Alt tab, then a list of the apps you're using comes up. And then let go on the one you want to open, and the app comes up. Easy. It's function space. So function space you will use a lot if you're a kid, because everyone loves emojis. So I press function space, and it gives me a list of emojis, short gifs, and even symbols. I'm going to start with the emojis. The emojis are really nice. I'm going to take this one, but since I'm on this, it's coming out on a different font. But that won't matter that much. There are gifs, there are loads and loads of things you can do it. It's really good. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and be on the lookout for my next video. Bye!